All right, students, this is the second lesson that we're learning today. The lesson is called the exterior angle theorem. So what this theorem means is we have three angles in a triangle, okay? And then we have outside of a triangle an exterior angle, okay? So right here you can see angle 4 is my exterior angle. The reason it's called exterior is because it's on the outside of the triangle. Now these two angles right here are the remote interior angles, okay? These are the angles not next to the exterior angle. They're on the other side, okay? So what this theorem is telling you is that you are going to add the remote interior angles, and that'll give you what your exterior angle is, okay? So we're adding the remote interior angles, and that'll give you what the exterior angle is, okay? One more time. We're adding the remote interior, and that'll give you your exterior angle. We do not need to use this angle when we're using this process, okay? Let's look at example problem number 4. There we go. All right, so in example number 4, what we have learned is the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 gives me the measure of angle 4. Okay? Now, that being said, you can see my exterior angle right here is x. Okay? And my interior angles are 21 and 34. Notice, we did nothing with the angle next to it. We're just concerned about these three angles. So to give me my exterior angle, I'm going to do 21 plus 34 equals my exterior. In this case, it's x. Okay, now I'm going to grab my calculator over here. I'm going to do 21 plus 34 to give me 55. So I know that x is 55. Pretty simple. Now, on Monday, when we're back, we're going to talk about in more depth why these two angles add up to give us x. But for now, that's what I want you to understand. Okay? Let's look at number 5. Okay. Here we are, number 5. So we see here that 100 is my exterior angle, okay? Notice, it doesn't really matter what the angle next to it is because we do not need this angle to find the exterior angle, okay? So we can see that our exterior is 100 and our two interior angles, in this case, is 2x plus 3 and 51. Now in this question, they are giving me the exterior angle and they're asking, what is x? Well, how do we solve for this? What we're going to do to solve x is we are going to set up the exterior angle theorem. That being said, we're going to do the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 gives me the measure of angle 4. Okay? So I know if these two angles add up to 100, I can find x. So in this case, I'm going to do measure of angle 1, which is 2x plus 3. And it does not matter what order you put this in, okay? Which angle. I could have put 51 first, okay? Plus 51 gives me 100. So once again, I knew to add these two because these two angles give me 100. So that's how I'm going to find x. So now I'm going to combine like terms. So 51 plus 3 is 54. So now I have 2x plus 54 equals 100. Now I'm going to do 100 minus 54. That'll give me 46. So 2x equals 46. Now divide by 2. 46 divided by 2 gives me 23. So now my x equals 23. Can I check my answer to see if it's right? I can. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to see if these two angles add up to 100. Okay? So I'm going to plug in 23 into x. So I'm going to do 2 times 23 plus 3 plus 51. And I'm going to see if that gives me 100, which is my exterior angle. So 23 times 2 is 46, plus 3 plus 51. So plus 3 plus 51, bam, 100. So now I know that x is 23. So like I said, the whole thing with this theorem is knowing that the two interior angles add up to give you your exterior angle. All right, and let's do one last one. Let's do problem number 6. Just to make sure we got it down. All right. So in this case, once again, they're giving me my exterior angle. They're saying my exterior is 94. And my interior angle here is 60 and 2x. And they want to know what x is. What is x? Okay? So if I know that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 gives me the measure of angle 4, which is my exterior angle, then I can now solve for x. So I'm going to do 60 plus 2x equals 94. As you notice, I'm not using this angle because I don't need to. Okay? I'm going to subtract 60, grab my calculator again, because why not? So 94 minus 60 will give me 34. So I have 2x equals 34, divide by 2. So x equals 17. Now let's check. If x is 17, do these two angles add up to give me 94? Okay, I'm going to do it right under here. So 60 plus 2 times 17 equals, so 2 times 17 gives me 34. So does 60 plus 34 give me 94? And that is correct. All right. So now you're going to complete the practice problems on the next page and the workbook problems that will be given to you. All of this is going to be due on Tuesday. So Monday night, you will have an opportunity to work on it. If not, and you get it done, then awesome. Great job. All right. Email me if you guys have any questions. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Yay!